Welcome back to another reading lesson. We're on reading lesson number 4. And we finished last time, do you remember, we were learning about how to read a word that ends with S or ES. Do you remember when it means more than one? So like cups or chairs or messes. So we had S that can sound like a S or Z, right? Or we can add ES to the end of a word, right? And it makes the S or is sound like fix is something, right? Okay, so those are the two words, and you're going to find those words in our story that we're going to read today. Before we read, we're going to read the story 10 Wishes. But before we start that story, I hope you can see on the board here that on our warm-up sheet we have different masks. Do you recognize any of those? I'm sure a few of you have these masks at home. I know Silas will. I know Xander has lots. Actually, this morning he was dressing up and wearing them. And perhaps you have some masks that you wear at home. And a mask is basically a disguise, right? It covers your face so that you look like something else, not yourself. Okay? And I'm sure you've gotten the chance. And have you ever dressed up in a costume with a mask? And what was it if you did get to dress up? Now, I have sort of a big question to ask you. Suppose one day, for one day, you could have anything in the world that you would want. What would you ask for if you could have anything in the world? What's that one thing that you would ask for? What do you think? In our story today, we're going to see what these children are going to ask for. Okay? So you're going to open up your reader and you're going to read 10 wishes. Now, after you finish reading, in your package, I have put cards. And these cards are going to go along with the story, and they're going to be rhyming words. And I know we've been practicing rhyming words in class, and I want you to join them up. But they're rhyming words that are plural, that end with our S. Okay? So I want you to match those up. But first, I want you to read 10 wishes. Then you can do the activity and match up the words, okay? I hope you enjoy this story.